Hey, Josh Campbell from Rescue Air and Plumbing, and this is
Edward.
Edward. Edward, what do you do here?
Here I am an installer at Rescue Air.
Yeah, are you lead installer?
Yes, sir.
Now you
Now
started
I am.
out as an assistant installer, right?
Exactly.
Helper?
hmm
Does that term work for you?
Helper, I guess so you could say helper. I mean, assistant.
Yeah. Now you're crushing it. What's your day look like now?
What my day looks like. Well, I get up around like 6:30 in the morning, get to the shop like at 7, get my stuff ready, get some breakfast in there, and just clean out my truck, look at the contract that I'm gonna do that day, and get ready for the job.
So you know what I love about, and I mentioned it before, our install department could be our happiest department in our building, and it's our hardest working department in our building. These guys crush it all day long, and they have the best sense of work ethic. And I think, hey, if you're looking for a position and want something different, don't look past being an HVAC installer.
Yes, sir. That's right.